If you ever wondered how websites handle data, process millions of requests, or build real-time systems, this playlist is for you. I'm Jaydeep and welcome to Code Latent, where we go deep into backend development using JavaScript. In this series, we are starting from absolute basics, understanding how JavaScript works on the backend. Then we will dive into the Node.js ecosystem, exploring everything from core modules to asynchronous programming. After that, we will build real-time projects using powerful frameworks, starting with Express.js, moving to Nest.js, and finally Nodejs for lightning-fast modern APIs. You will also learn how to connect databases, add authentication, implement caching with Redis, and even structure microservices. Every video is hands-on, practical, and focused on what actually matters when building scalable backends. So don't skip ahead, follow this playlist completely, because by the end you won't just know backend theory, you will be ready to build full-stack, production-grade applications confidently. Let's begin this journey from JavaScript basics to backend mastery. Subscribe, grab your VS Code, and let's turn your ideas into APIs.